How to assemble the SP170 curved screen printer from am.co.za. Here is the parts list that we are going to go through, so follow along. In the small box you will find spare variations of the wheels and the tools. Now start with a base plate and put it onto a flat surface. The ribbed support structure goes at the back of the base plate. But first, we must remove the stopper plate that is currently mounted and used to secure the base plate during transportation. Just remove the 4 screws and remove the stopper plate. Slide 2 slider screws in the front of the base plate on the sides to the back. Do this on either side. And now you can mount the support structure at the back of the base plate. Screw it down with the screws provided at the back, and then tilt the unit to let the sliders slide into place. Line them up with a screwdriver and then tighten with 2 screws on either side. At the front of the base plate, you need to move the extra slider to the front. So remove the 2 wing nuts, move 1 slider to the front, and tighten the wing nuts down again. Do the same for the other side. And now bring the stopper plate to the front of the base plate and tighten it down in front and on top. There are 2 more sliders on the right hand side. Slide them to more or less 3/4 of the way to the support structure. This is where you mount the side support arm. Now secure the support screws onto the side support arm. One towards the top and the other towards the middle. Next is the working unit. Place it in the middle of the base plate and lay it flat for now. Remove the wing nuts from the movable mounts on either side. You use an Allen key provided to loosen the movable mounts and slip the working unit's bar into place on either side. And then mount the movable mounts onto the ribbed support structure. Take the counterweight and place it onto the back of the working unit. Screw it tight from underneath. At this stage you can mount your frame and lock it down by hand. Make sure the frame is in between the 2 support screws. Next, slide the handle onto the front of your frame and lock it down by hand. And finally, at the front of the working unit is where you fix your wooden squeegee onto. And you are done. You have assembled your SP170 curved screen printer. Thank you for watching.
2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.